Several English words have their origins in the Latin word magnus, meaning large, big, or great. Here are some examples along with their etymologies. Magnify. This word comes from the Latin word magnificare, which is a combination of a magnus, great, and of facere, to make. So, magnify essentially means to make something appear larger or greater. Magnitude. This word directly comes from the Latin magnitudo, which is derived from a magnus. It refers to the great size or extent of something. Magnificent, also directly derived from Latin, magnificent comes from a magnificus, where a magnus means great and a facere means to make. Thus, it originally referred to something that is grand or splendid. Magnanimous, from Latin magnanimus, where a magnus means great and a animus means soul or spirit. It describes someone who is generous in forgiving an insult or injury, someone with a noble spirit. Magnate. This word comes from the late Latin magnates, meaning a great man or noble, which is derived from a magnus. In English, it refers to a wealthy and influential person, often in business or industry. Magnetic, from the Latin magneticus, ultimately derived from magnus is magnet, which possibly comes from the Greek magnus lithos, stone of magnesia, a type of iron ore. This term relates to the property of attraction possessed by magnets. Magnum. This word is derived from the Latin magnum, which is the neuter form of a magnus, meaning great. In English, magnum is often used as an adjective to denote something large, impressive, or outstanding, such as a magnum opus. Magnum opus, directly from Latin magnum opus, translates to the great work. Magnum means great, and opus means work. It refers to an artist's or author's greatest work or masterpiece, often considered the pinnacle of their achievements. These words, rooted in the Latin magnus, reflect the concept of greatness or largeness in various contexts. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.